What is version control? Version control is a system for keeping track of changes to your files. So if you're working on a large project, version control can show you the history of that project and tell you how your code got to a certain point. And it can even help you roll back to an earlier point. So if you're a student working in a group project, version control can be helpful because you can keep track of multiple revisions so you're not accidentally overwriting each other's code. Or it can tell you who wrote what part of the code. It's basically like track changes in Microsoft Word. One really popular form of version control is called Git, and Visual Studio Code actually has built-in support for Git, so you can work with the Git system in the same window where you're writing your code. If you are going to be working on your project for a long period of time, it's a very good idea to start using version control so you can keep track of the history of that project over time.